So I'm gonna show you this technique is if you're starting a new row, if it's ever required in your pattern. Now usually in double crochet you chain up 3, but because it's 2 together you're only gonna chain up 2, and you are going to double crochet into the next one. So because you did not chain 3 and only chain 2, these 2 just became 1. Okay, so let's go into the next 2. So let's put these 2 together. So wrap the hook first, going in, pull through, and then pull through the 2 loops only and hold it. So do the next one. So come wrapping, going into the next one, pull through 2 and hold it. And now you got 3 loops left on the hook, yarning over, pulling it through all 3. So let's do the next 2 together. So yarning over and in, pull through 2, and then yarning over, next one, pull through 2, and then you have 3 loops again, you're gonna pull through all 3. So that would be how you would apply and do a double crochet 2 together in making 2 stitches into 1.